Please, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. Hello, I'm Kristina Ivancic from Geological Survey of Slovenia. I'm very glad to present basic geological research and explain why it's important not only for the geology, but also for the society. Me and my colleagues, Milka Trianova, Dragomir Stebarne, and Andrej Šmuc were investigating sedimentary evolution of the Slovenj Gradec Basin. So if you are wondering if some betting on the Slovenj Gradec sandy beach is possible, you have to listen. The next slide. Slovenj Gradec Basin represents the yellow area between Pohorje, Southern Alps, Paški Kozjak, Železno-Kapelska magmatska cona, Karavanke, and Strojna. Basin also represents area where sedimentation took place between 17 and 15 million years ago. It's filled with alternation of different clastic sedimentary rocks like conglomerate, sandstone, siltstone, claystone, and mergestone. Our goal was to define origin and basic sedimentological characteristic of these complex Miocene sedimentary successions. Next slide. 3 different sedimentary environments were established: terrestrial, transitional, and shallow marine. And during specific period, the area was covered by the Central Paratitis Sea. Fossil remains of the sea, like oyster shells, can be observed in the rocks macroscopically, while red algae, benthic and planktic foraminifera, bryozoan can be seen in thin sections, so microscopically. 2 types of transitional environment were determined: deltic, represented by laterally bedding outward of conglomeratic beds, and brackish, defined by gastropod. In periods of sea level low stand, sedimentation took place in high energy fluvial environment and in the restricted swamps where conditions for the formation of coal was created. Next slide. Provenance and direction of sedimentary input was determined by sedimentary textures like cross-bedding, imbrications, and by clast analysis. We propose of placing the pebble or grain in the source area. For example, tonalite fiber derived from the Železno-Kapelska magmatska cona. Breccia indicate short transport and vicinity of hinterland. Results of geochemical analysis indicate provenance from the Eastern Alps. Based on the result of different discriminant functions and triangular plots, sediments were subjected to different tectonic settings. Collisional, which is related to the collision of the Adriatic and Eurasian tectonic plates, and the formation of the Alpine orogeny, and drifting, related to the formation of the Pannonian Basin system. You are probably wondering why this is so important for the society. Well, next slide. With this basic geological research, we managed to reconstruct paleogeographic and paleoenvironmental changes and their alternation through the Earth's history. Which place was highland, which lowland, which covered by the sea, and every paleogeographic and tectonic change influenced the climate in the past, and understanding geological events in the past help us to understand present conditions on the Earth. Moreover, clastic sedimentary rocks are the most exposed hazardous landslide areas. Based on detailed geological research, landslide and rockfall susceptibility maps were made. By considering such maps and models, the most hazard-prone areas can be avoided. If I go back to the beginning, some betting on the Slovenj Gradec sandy beach was possible, but unfortunately 15 million years ago and not now. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the presentation. Do we have any questions?